Hi! So in today's video we will be building a camera on our Dotz A6 notebook. Now, unlike in other episodes, we will not have a Dotz template to guide us in constructing today's design. Instead, I've pulled up a photo on my smartphone. This photo will guide us in making today's design. Now, I have my A6 notebook, the black dots that I'll use to build the camera, and the scissors to cut the dots to make a camera. I have all the tools. I can begin. And just like that, we have our camera on the A6 Dotz notebook, looking similar to what it does on my smartphone. Tune in again soon to see me build more of our creative Dotz designs.